mathematics subject. Today we are going to learn about Roman numbers. What are the Roman numbers? Roman numeral system is the numeral system that was used in ancient Rome. Have you ever seen like these pictures? Yes, we see the Roman numerals being used in some analog clocks and watches. Okay, let us discuss about Roman numerals. Before that, I will show one chart. This belongs to the Roman numerals. Okay, in the Roman numerals, it has 7 basic symbols. In the Roman numerals, it has the 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Next, Hindu-Arabic numerals. What is the Hindu-Arabic numerals? It is nothing but it is the Indian number. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So, the value of the I is 1, the value of the V is 5, the value of the X is 10, the value of the L is 50, the value of the C is 100, the value of the D is 500, the value of the M is 1000. These are the basic 7 symbols. Okay, let us learn what are the rules, how to write the Roman numerals. It has some rules. The rules for writing Roman numerals. It has some rules. The first rule is when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. Once again, the rule: when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. I will show the one chart with the example. When a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. So, 1, 1. So, if the symbol is repeated here, the value is added. So, equal to the 2. One more example for this rule: X, X, X. The 3 X symbols are repeated here. So, the value is 30. C, C. So, C, the value of the C is 100. Then one more C there. The value of the C is 100. Totally 200. Once again, the rule: when a symbol is repeated, its value is added many times as it is repeated. Okay, next go to the second rule. The second rule is when a symbol of smaller value, when a symbol of the smaller value is written to the right side of the symbol is greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. So, V plus 1, V plus I, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, V plus I is equal to 6, V, I. The value of the V, I is 8, C, X, V. The value of the C is 100, X is 10, V is 5. Totally we get 115. One more example for that. D, X, 1, 1. The value of the D is 100, 10, 1, 1 is equal to 512. 500 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 512. One more example. M and C. The value of the M is 1000. The value of the C is 100. So, 1000 and 100. Shall we repeat once again? What is the second rule here? When a symbol of the smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of the greater value. When a symbol of the smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of the greater value, right side of the symbol of the greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. The smaller value is added to the greater value. Okay. Let's go to the third rule. Third rule is when a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left side of the symbol of the greater value. So the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. The smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. X and C. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. C and D. So value of the D is 500. So left side of the number here. Left side of the number. So minus 100 is equal to 400. X and L, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. C and M, 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. This is the third rule. The fourth rule is, when a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value. When a smaller numeral is placed between the two numeral of the greater value. These are the two greater value here. It is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. It is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. It means 10. So I and V is equal to 4 there. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. X, I, X is equal to 19. L, I, X. So L shows the 50 here. 1 and X. I and X is equal to 10 minus 1. So 9. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. C, X, I, V. C, 100, X, 10, I and V. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1. So is equal to 4. So 100 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 10. 100 plus 14 is equal to 114. So once again, when a smaller numeral is placed between the two numerals of the greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral placed after it. Finally, the fifth rule is, if a bar is placed over a numeral, then it is multiplied by the 1000. So look here, the bar is placed over the V. The bar is placed over the V. The value of the V is 5. The value of the bar is 1000. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. The bar is placed over the numeral, Roman numeral. So 50 into 1000 is equal to 50,000. X bar. So 10 into 1000 is equal to 10,000. These are the 5 rules of the Roman numerals. Okay, one more point here. Roman numeral system does not have the concept of the zero and place value. It does not have the zero and place value. Some tips of the remember how to write the Roman number. These are the tips of the Roman numerals. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated up to a maximum of the 3 times. With an example, I will show one example for that. 1, 1, 1 is equal to 3. This is the Roman numeral. This one is the Indian system. Okay, one more example. X, X, X. It means 30. Only the X is repeated here. Maximum up to the 3 times. C means the value of the C is 100, 100, 100. 3 times repeated. The C is repeated 3 times. So the value of the 3C is 300. Okay. The next tip is I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Okay. With the example, V is equal to 4. X is equal to 9. So V and X only subtracted by 1. I can be subtracted from the V and X only. I can be subtracted from the V and X only. So IV is equal to 4. Ix, the value of the Ix is equal to 9. So go to the next tip is the X can be subtracted from L and C. The x also subtracted from L and C only. With the example, XC. The value of the L is 50. It is subtracted x by x. So the value is 40. Then x and C. 90. Why? Because the L and C are subtracted or from x. Okay. The x can be subtracted from the L and C here. So the XL is 40. The value of the XC is equal to 90. The final tip is C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted from D and M. With the example, I will explain. C and D. The value of the D is already new. The value of the D is 500. The C is subtracted by the 500. The value of the C is 100 is equal to 400. And C and M. The value of the M is 1000. The value of the C is 100 is equal to 900. It means C can be subtracted from D and M only. These are the tips and these are the rules for writing Roman numerals. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to write the Roman numbers. Okay, let us start. Okay, 1. So I is equal to 1 here. The symbols are repeated. It means apply the first rule. We applied the first rule. So this shows the 2. And again 3 times I. So this means 3 here. So this one is applying from the first rule. The Roman number are repeated here. So next 5. Already you know V is equal to 5. But how to write the 4 here? How to write the 4? Apply the third rule. What is the third rule? V is subtracted by 1. It means the bigger number is subtracted by the 1 is equal to 4. Okay. This 1 and V is equal to 4. How it comes? Apply the third rule. The 5, the bigger number is write the left side of the number. Left side of the 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So next, apply the second rule. Apply the second rule. What is the second rule here? The bigger number is write the left side of the smaller number. The bigger number is write the left side of the smaller number. So it means it added here. I will show. The V, the value of the V is 5, then 1. So it means it shows the V and I shows the 6. Okay, next continue with me. V 1 is equal to 7. V 1 is equal to 8. The Roman numerals are repeated here. And V, the value of the V is 5. The 3 Roman numerals are repeated here. So V plus 3. So I will show V, the value of the V is 5. Then 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, X. This is the basic symbol. We already learned this one. The X, the value of the X is 10. The value of the X is 10. Again we apply the third rule here. Third rule, it shows the 1 and X is equal to 9. How it comes? The value of the X is 10 here. The 1 is subtracted from the 10. 1 is subtracted from the 10. We get the answer 9. Then continue the number 11. write the 19. So the value of the x is 10. We wrote already 1 and x. The value of the 1 and x is 9. So it shows the 19 here. X and x. These two are shows the 20. How to write the 20 here? 2x. The two Roman numerals are repeated. As same as 10 is equal to 1x. So 20 is equal to 2x here. We apply the first rule, and 30 is equal to 3x. Okay. Then 40 is equal to, how to write the 40 here? So the L is subtracted by the x. What is the value of the L? We already learned in the basic symbols. So 1, I is equal to 1 there, B is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, N is equal to 1000. These are the Hindu-Arabic numerals and these are the Roman numerals. Okay, then apply here. So L is equal to 50. The value of the 50 is L. Next, 100. What is the value of the 100 here? The value of the 100 is C in the Roman numeral. The C shows the 100 value. Next, 200. C, 2C. The symbols are repeated. The Roman numerals are repeated. Again, 300. How to write the 300? 3 times C. The symbols are repeated again. It shows the 300. Then 400. 400 means C and D. The value of the D is 500. The 100 is subtracted by the 500. So it means the value of the C and D is 400. The value of the 500. This is the basic symbol D. Then how to write the 600? How to write the 600? 600. 600 means it is nothing but 500 plus 100. It means in the Roman numeral, the value of the D is 500. The value of the 100 is C. The value of the C is 100. So it means D plus C is equal to 600. Again, we continue this one. 700. How to write the 700? D. The value of the D is 500. The value of the C is 100. And again, one more C. So it means 500, 600, 700. Then again, 800. How to write the 800? Just apply the same formula, same rule. The first rule as well as the fourth rule. D, C, C and C. This is the value of the 800. How to write the 900 here? How to write the 900? Before writing the 900, write the 1000 value. Already you knew in the basic symbol. The value of the 1000 is yam. Okay, the value of the 1000 is yam. Just apply. For the third rule, is the subtracted, the C is, M is subtracted by the C. It means the value of the M is 1000, the value of the C is 100. How it comes? I will show you how it comes. So the value of the M is 1000, then the value of the C is 100. We apply the third rule again here. So we get the C and M. The value of the C and M is 900. Okay. These are the Roman numbers. How to write with applying the rules. Okay. Then we will discuss remaining exercise part in the next class. Thank you.